Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we'll solve a neat reciprocal equation using a clean factoring trick. Solution. So we have our equation 1 over x plus 1 over y is equal to 1 over 20. I will start by solving the left hand side to a common denominator, which is xy. Xy in x will give us y times 1 is y plus xy and y will give us x times 1 is x, which is equal to 1 over 20. From here, if I cross multiply, I have that 20 times y plus x is equal to 1 times xy, which is xy. From this point, if I expand, I have that 20 times x will give me 20x, 20 times y will give me 20y, plus 20 times x, which is 20x, is equal to xy. Now, if I move 20y and 20x to the right hand side, I have xy minus 20y minus 20x is equal to 0. From here, I will add 20 times 20, which is equal to 400. I'll add 400 to the left hand side and right hand side. So I have xy minus 20x minus 20x plus 400 is equal to 400. Now we can factor out x here. So x here will give us y minus 20 minus 20 is common here. That will be 20 two brackets. 20 in this will give us x, and then 20 and 400 will give us minus 20 is equal to 400. Now from here we have that x minus 20 times y minus 20 is equal to 400. Now we have a product of two numbers. So from here there are two possible cases. X minus 20 times y minus 20 is equal to a dot b, and then x minus 20 times y minus 20 is equal to b dot a. Now solving from this side, x minus 20 will be equal to a, and y minus 20 will be equal to b. So this will be equal to a plus 20 if 20 comes to this side, and then this one brings us to y is equal to b plus 20 if 20 comes here. From this side, x minus 20 is equal to b, and then if 20 comes over here, x will be equal to b plus 20, and then y minus 20 is equal to a, and if a comes over here, y will be equal to a plus 20. So now we've deduced that x here is equal to a plus 20 and y here is equal to b plus 20, and then x here is reversed, which is b plus 20, and y here is equal to a plus 20. A dot b represents a list of all positive integer factor pairs of 400. Now the positive factor pairs of 400 are 1 times 400, or 400 times 1, 2 times 200, and then 200 times 2, 4 times 100, and 100 times 4, 5 times 80, and 80 times 5, 8 times 50, and 50 times 5, 10 times 40, and 40 times 10, 16 times 25, and 25 times 16, then 20 times 20, and 20 times 20. So this is a list of positive integer factors of 400, and they are swapped pairs. So this represents A and this represents B, and then when you swap it, it becomes B, and then this becomes A. Same for this, A and B, and then when it swaps, it becomes B and A. So now we're going to take each of these factors into our equation to get the value of X and Y. I'm going to work with just this and this, and then you can try out the rest. So working with the first one, our A here is equal to 1, and then B is equal to 400. So substituting into this side of the equation, we have that X will be equal to A, which is 1, plus 20, which is equal to 21, and then Y is equal to B, which is 400, plus 20, which is equal to 420. Then from here, X plus Y will be equal to 21 plus 420, which is equal to 441. So if we swap the factors, we are going to be working with this side. This side just represents that we are swapping the factors B for A and A for B. And if we do that, we have that X will be equal to 400 plus 20, which is equal to 420, and then Y will be equal to 1 plus 20, which is equal to 21. So now X plus Y will still be give us 441. So the first one is the factors, and then this is the swapped factors. Now if we pick the second factors, 2 times 200, and then the swapped factors 200 times 2, we have that A here now becomes 200, and then B becomes 2, or A is 2 and B is 200. Now we have that X will be equal to A plus 20, which is 220, and then Y is B plus 20, which is 2 plus 20, which is 22. From here, X plus Y is equal to 220 plus 22, which is 242. And then at this side, if we swap, we have that X is equal to 2 plus 20, which is 22, and then Y is equal to 200 plus 20, which is 220, and then X plus Y is equal to 220, 22, which is 242. So that's it. In summary, you just list all the factor pairs of 400 and substitute for A and B, or you swap it for B and A and substitute into the equation, and you get the value of X and Y. You can do it for other factors. If you like this, hit the like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments section the positive integer pairs you used and your results. Bye for now, and I will see you in my next tutorial.